As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow across the sky, a lone figure stood at the edge of a vast, rocky plateau. The silhouette of the person, small against the grandeur of the landscape, seemed to pause, perhaps reflecting on the journey that had brought them here. The clouds above were painted in hues of orange and pink, their edges illuminated by the fading light, while the distant mountains faded into a soft, hazy blue. The air was crisp, carrying the scent of earth and freedom, and the stillness was broken only by the gentle rustle of the wind. In that moment, the vastness of the world seemed to converge on the solitary figure, offering a quiet reminder of both the beauty and the solitude of life's highest peaks. On the peak of a towering mountain, a lone figure stood with arms outstretched, basking in the radiant glow of a celestial phenomenon. The sky above erupted in a dazzling display of light, as if the heavens themselves were opening to reveal a cosmic wonder. Below, the vast landscape stretched endlessly, a sea of rolling hills and distant valleys shrouded in the soft hues of twilight. The figure, cloaked in a simple robe, felt a profound connection to the universe, as if the very essence of existence was pulsing through them. In that moment, the world seemed to pause, and the individual knew they had reached a place where the boundaries between the earthly and the divine dissolved, leaving only awe and wonder in their wake. On the peak of a towering mountain, a lone figure stood with arms outstretched, basking in the radiant glow of a celestial phenomenon. The sky above erupted in a dazzling display of light, as if the heavens themselves were opening to reveal a cosmic wonder. Below, the vast landscape stretched endlessly, shrouded in mist and shadow, while the figure felt an overwhelming sense of connection to something greater than themselves. The warmth of the light enveloped them, and for a fleeting moment, they were no longer alone but part of something infinite, as if the universe itself had chosen this moment to speak. In the heart of an ancient, echoing chamber, a lone figure sat cross-legged, bathed in the soft glow of a radiant, geometric light that pulsed gently in the distance. The intricate, golden pattern of the light seemed to hum with an otherworldly energy, drawing the meditator deeper into a trance-like state. As the figure's mind quieted, the light began to shift, revealing hidden layers of meaning, each one more profound than the last. With each breath, the boundary between the physical world and the ethereal dissolved, and the figure felt a surge of understanding, as if the universe itself was whispering its secrets. In that moment, the light and the meditator became one, a testament to the infinite potential of human consciousness. Ethan stood at the edge of the cliff, his silhouette stark against the vast expanse of the universe. The earth curved below him, a fragile blue-green sphere bathed in the soft glow of a distant sun. Above, a brilliant beam of light pierced the darkness, a cosmic lighthouse beckoning from the unknown. He had climbed this mountain for years, driven by a vision that had haunted him since childhood, a vision of this very moment. Now, as he gazed at the beam, he felt a profound connection to something greater than himself. The weight of his journey lifted, and he knew, in that instant, that he was not alone. The universe had spoken, and he was ready to listen. In the vast, minimalist chamber, the man stood alone, his silhouette stark against the soft glow of the circular skylight above. The room was a canvas of light and shadow, its pristine white walls curving seamlessly into the ceiling, creating an otherworldly cocoon of solitude. He had wandered here, drawn by an inexplicable pull, his footsteps echoing faintly on the smooth floor. As he gazed upward, the light seemed to beckon him, a radiant promise of answers or escape. For a moment, he felt both insignificant and infinite, suspended between the weight of his thoughts and the boundless expanse of the sky beyond.